Hello guys, and welcome to Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your Dyson vacuum cleaner. Guys, if you hear this sound, you're going to need to follow this video instruction tutorial that I'm going to have, how to actually clean your vacuum cleaner. Listen to the sound. If your Dyson vacuum cleaner is doing this type of sound, then it is time for you to actually clean this Dyson up. In this video, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to do in order to clean it up, because when you actually look at the whole thing, it might kind of scare you because it is like a $400 or $500 vacuum cleaner, but this is the way you actually clean it. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is pull this filter out. This is the filter you're going to need to wash to begin with. So the way you actually pull this filter out, once you actually pull it out, it's going to be really dirty on the inside. So you're going to need to take something like a butter knife. Be careful, use it away from your body, and you simply will need to get in there to the tabs, and you're going to need to kind of like pry them up like this. And they first will need, they're going to try to go back in, so you're going to need to kind of like hold them a little bit up to keep them from actually going back to the places. And now we got to do the last one, and this one retapped itself. So now this actually comes loose. And this filter is washable. I kind of show you how this vacuum cleaner all comes apart and how you could actually clean it. Because you are supposed to wash it. You probably don't know that. Maybe it's not in the instructions. But I'm going to show you how to clean this filter 2 times in this video. That way it's going to be easy for you to remember. So once you actually pull this out, you're going to need to insert this underneath your sink, or maybe like somewhere in your bathtub, whatever you have it. And make sure the water is pouring directly on the inside. And as you're washing it, just do like these squeezing motions, because in the beginning it's going to fill up and it's not even going to drain. So that really shows how dirty and clogged up it is. So you're going to need to like just keep doing this as the water going in it. And then you're going to need to kind of like keep rinsing it and keep washing it until the water becomes clear, because at first it's going to be like kind of like the ground, you know, type of color. So once you're done cleaning, you're going to need to stick it back on here and let this thing dry before you start using it. Maybe put it somewhere like next to a heat vent or whatever, just you know, a little bit away from it. That way it's going to dry up good. And then of course you got the actual vacuum cleaner itself. So now that the filter is out, and you could actually pull it out after the fact, but I like to pull this out first and first clean that, because this is the easiest way to kind of like get your vacuum cleaner going again. But if you're already going to be cleaning the air filter, might as well go ahead and actually pull this trash release. You're going to need to pull it. Sometimes you might pull it like this, not enough for this lid to open up. So pull it more. So you're going to need to do like a nice little pull, and then this ends up opening up. As you can see, water is coming out of this, but what we want to do is we want to wash this type of component, this metal, and we want to wash the water inside. Now the electrical components of this is housed right in this housing, so you don't want to get that wet. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to come in and press the red tab here. So as you press it, it's going to release. So you just pull on it as you press it. So now that that component is out of the way, you have this piece ready for you to work with it. So it would be good just to kind of like wash it all around over here, then go from the inside, wash it on the inside, because it's going to be really dirty here. Because once you clean the air filter up, you don't want the other dust to stay behind it, because what's it going to do is just going to make the filter all dirty again. And then you're going to need to fill up this with water, wash the inside container. It's not going to drain if you put water inside. That is normal. That is fine. But the water will need to go a little bit sideways like this, and kind of like down and around. So like the way it's designed is to go around like that. And then the water is going to be leaking out from over here, only then. You could also flip it upside down and have water pour in. That way it's going to travel through the channels and still going to be coming out. So whatever method works for you, just use that method, and just make sure everything is cleaned around here when you do it. And then once you end up cleaning this, be very careful. Just like take some kind of damp cloth and just wipe down your trash container area, because that's going to be dirty as well. And then you want to observe on the inside over here, make sure this is nice and clean, and then check kind of like all around over here, like underneath, because the way it's designed, you know, for the air to travel right here to this very tiny hole on the inside. And if that's dirty, your vacuum cleaner is not going to be working right. So let's go ahead and actually reinstall this components right back. You simply install this in like this up once you install it. So once you install that, go ahead and snap it in, and then you reinstall the filter right back, and then you're ready to vacuum. And look how strong it is now. See, it is actually very, very strong. So, but if it's dirty, it's making this sound because it can't breathe. It's just letting you know, hey, I can't breathe right now. You need to clean me, you need to change the filter. The good thing is, you really don't need to buy another filter, just basically clean it up, and that's it. You may, however, need to buy an extra filter. That way you have one drying, and then you have a clean one that you just install, and you just go to town with it. But anyways, guys, if this video was helpful for you to get your Dyson working back in order, please hit a like on this video if you found it helpful. And please subscribe to my channel because I have all kinds of videos that help people. I'm a do-it-yourself type of channel, and I like to save people money. So if you guys like to save money, subscribe to my channel, because chances are there's going to be something on my channel that's going to end up saving you money. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.